One of them get Kime. Kevin and Maifa.
This is the youngest woodcarver in Africa. His name is Chinecherem Nwankwo, a 12-year-old boy from Ogidi, Anambara State, Nigeria. Chinecherem Nwankwo, the young talented woodcarver, have never gone to any workshop to learn from anyone. He claimed to have received inspiration from dreams, and people are eagerly purchasing his products because they are effective. He also shared the secrets behind his potency, saying that he used some spiritual respected trees in Igbo land such as the ukpaka tree, the orji tree, the iroko tree, and the ogirise trees.
Okay. Oh, you see it, I pocket off. Ogirise. Orji. Okay, orji. No, orji. Okay. No, you see it.
He also knows the names of each of his artworks and their spiritual functions.
You can put a selma for her. The side that I have for plot. Ghana here. Gavanka, not powerful. Chiwani, in Capana. It's Mezwabo, in Cagani. In Cabelacana. In Cabel and Campapla.
I'm police out. Open the mind, Jack. It's nose. It's nose. It's nose. It's nose.
At age of 12, this boy is an employer in Nigeria and pay his workers accordingly. Many people are encouraging him and urge other parents to urge and encourage their young children and discover their talent at young age.
One of them get Kime. Kevin and Maifa.